Hi, this is Rajesh. Now we are going to do remaining problems in fourth question of exercise 6.1. So in that seventh problem, that is 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 1. They form AP and then common difference we need to find. After that, three more terms also we need to write. So first of all, we need to find common difference for the given list of numbers. Common difference is nothing but whenever you are going to find the difference between A2 to A1 should be same as A3 to A2 and also A4 to A2, like that AN to AN minus 1. So here first we need to find A2 minus A1. What is the value of A2 here? Minus 4. Minus A1 value is 0. Minus 4 minus 0. You will get minus 4 only. Next we need to find A3 minus A2. What is the value of A3 here? Minus 8 is the A3. Minus 8 minus A2 value is minus 4. So here we will get minus 8 minus into minus plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4. We are getting minus 4 only. Next we need to find A4 minus A3. So A4 value is minus 12 minus half. A3 value is minus 8. So minus half minus 8. It can be written as minus 12 plus 8. So its value is minus 4. A2 minus A1 is same as A3 minus A2 and also A4 minus A3. That value is equal to minus 4. So here common difference D is equal to minus 4. After that they ask us write three more terms if they form an AP. Yes, it is in the AP only. Next we need to write three more terms. So here A1, A2, A3, A4 they have given. Three more terms means we need to find A5, A6, A7. So A5 is nothing but A plus 4D. A plus 4D. A is nothing but here 0. 0 plus 4 into common difference, that is minus 4. Now plus into minus, minus 4 4s are 16. Next we need to find A6. So that is A plus 5D. So A value is 0 plus 5 into D value, that is D is minus 4. Here we are getting minus 20. Plus into minus, minus 5 4s are 20. So minus 20. Next A7 is equal to A plus 6D. Isn't it? A is nothing but here 0 plus 6 into minus 4. Now we are getting minus 24. So therefore it forms an AP and three more terms are minus 16 comma minus 20 and minus 24. Next, coming to the eighth problem, minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 and so on forms an AP. Okay, if it forms, we need to find three more terms. Okay, it forms an AP or not, we need to check. Suppose it forms an AP, later we need to find three more terms. So is it form AP or not means we need to find common difference and then only we will say it is in AP or else it is not an AP. So here common difference is nothing but A2 minus A1 should be same as A3 minus A2 as well as AN minus 1. So here A2 minus A1 is equal to, A2 value is minus 1 by 2 minus A1 value is also minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2, minus into minus, plus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 gets cancelled. Now A3 minus A2 is equal to, A3 value is minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. A3 minus 1 by 2, A2 is also minus 1 by 2. Now minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, its value is also 0. Next, A4 minus A2, A4 minus A3 is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. Now we are getting minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Its value is 0. Isn't it? So A2 minus A1 is same as A3 minus A2. Next A4 minus A3. Therefore, common difference D is equal to 0. After that, three more terms are minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 only, because each and every term is minus 1 by 2. After that, without finding A6, A7, A5, we can write directly three more terms are minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 only. So three more terms are minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Here each and every term is same, so that only I did not find A6 is equal to A plus 5D, A5 is equal to A plus 40 like that, isn't it? Otherwise we need to find A5 is equal to A plus 40, A6 is equal to A plus 5D, A7 is equal to A plus 6D. After that also you will get these things only. So that only I have written here directly. Now coming to the ninth problem. 1, 3, 9, 27 and so on. We need to check list of numbers form an AP or not. If it forms an AP, these numbers form an AP, we need to find remaining three more terms. So here, first of all, we need to find common difference. Common difference is nothing but the difference between a term with its preceding term should be same, except the first one. Each and every term should be satisfied. See here. So A1 is equal to 1, isn't it? A2 is equal to 3. A3 is equal to 9. A4 is equal to 27. Now A2 minus A1 is equal to, A2 value is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. After that, A3 minus A2 we need to find. A3 value is 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Next, A4 minus A3 is equal to, A4 value is 27 minus 9, 18. Isn't it? So here, A2 minus A1 is different from A3 minus A2 and also A4 minus A3. Therefore, it doesn't form an AP. We are not getting common difference. We are not getting common difference. So it doesn't form an AP. It doesn't form an AP, isn't it? Next, coming to the 10th problem. Here A1 is equal to A only, A2 is equal to 2A, A3 is equal to 3A, A4 is equal to 4A. Now we need to find common difference. So for that, A2 minus A1 we need to find, that is 2a minus a is equal to a. Next, a3 minus a2 we need to find, that is 3a minus 2a is equal to a, isn't it? Next, a4 minus a3 we need to find, that is 4a minus 3a is equal to a. So here we are getting a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to a4 minus a3 is equal to a. Therefore, common difference D is equal to a. Common difference D is equal to a. After that, write three more terms in the problem they ask us. So here a1, a2, a3, a4. So a5 is equal to a plus 4 into d. So a is nothing but a only. 4 into d is a plus 4a. A plus 4 into a, 4a. A plus 4a, 5a. Next, a6 is equal to a plus 5d. A is nothing but a only. 5d. So 5 into a. So here we are getting 5a only. A plus 5a, 6a we will get. Next, a7 is equal to a plus 6d. So a means a only, plus 6d means a here in the problem. A plus 6a is equal to 7a. Now 3 more terms we need to write now. So here 3 more terms are 5a, comma 6a and 7a are the 3 more terms of a given list of numbers. Coming to the 11th problem. So in this the terms are a square, a cube, a to the power of 4. So we need to check these forms make an arithmetic progression or not. If they form arithmetic progression, we need to write next 3 more terms. So first of all, we need to find common difference. That is, a2 minus a1 should be equal to an minus 1. So here, first a2 minus a1 is equal to a2 value is a square minus a. This can be written as a into a minus 1. Next, a3 minus a2 is equal to a3 value is a cube minus a square. So this can be written as a square into a minus 1. Next, a4 minus a3 we need to write. A4 value is a to the power of 4 minus a cube is equal to, this can be written as a cube into a minus 1. A cube into a minus 1. See here, a2 minus a1 value is a into a minus 1. A3 minus a2 value is a square into a minus 1. A4 minus a3 value is a cube into a minus 1. Therefore, here a2 minus a1 is not equal to a3 minus a2 is not equal to a4 minus a3. So it doesn't form an AP. It doesn't form an AP. After that, coming to the 12th problem. So here root 2, root 18, root 8, root 18, root 32 and so on form an arithmetic progression or not. If the list of numbers form an arithmetic progression, we need to write 3 more terms. So here a is equal to root 2 or else a1 is equal to root 2, a2 is equal to root 8, a3 is equal to root 18, a4 is equal to root 32. So we need to find common difference. So for that, a2 minus a1 we need to find, that is root 8 minus root 2. So root 8 we can write as 2 root 2, 2 root 2 minus root 2. See here, root 8 can be written as 2 into root 2. Okay, root 8 we can write as 2 into root 2. See here, root 8 is equal to 2 into 2. From the 2 2's, when I take 1 2 is outside, from this square root, I will get like this, 2 into root 2. Am I correct or not? So here, root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. So minus root 2. At that time, this value is 2x minus x. What will you get? We will get x. So like that only, 2 root 2 minus root 2, root 2. After that, a3 minus a2 we need to find. a3 value is root 18 minus root 8. Root 18 can be written as 3 root 2 minus root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. See here, 3. If it goes inside this square root, it will become 9. 9 2s are 18. So root 18 can be written as 3 root 2 minus root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. So 3x minus 2x, x. Like that only here we will get root 2. After that, a4 minus a2, a4 minus a3 is equal to, a4 value is root 32 minus root 18. Root 32 can be written as 4 into root 2. 4 into root 2. If it goes 4 inside this square root, it will become 4 square. 4 square means 16. 16 into 2, 32. So here, root 32 can be written as 4 root 2 minus root 18 already we wrote here 3 root 2. So 3 root 2. At that time, this can be in the form of 4x minus 3x. So here we will get x. X is nothing but root 2. So root 2. Now, a2 minus a1 is equal to root 2. a3 minus a2 is equal to root 2. a4 minus a3 is equal to root 2. Therefore, we will get common difference d is equal to root 2. So common difference d is equal to root 2. So it forms an AP. It forms an AP. After that, we need to find next 3 more terms. So here, a5 is equal to a plus 4d. a plus 4d. A is nothing but here root 2 plus 4 into d is nothing but root 2. Am I correct or not? So a value is root 2 plus 4 root 2. So it is 5 root 2. This can be written as root 50. So here 5. Inside this square root, 5 square. 5 square means 25. 25 to 50. So root 50 we will get. After that, a6 is equal to a plus 5d. So a value is root 2 plus 5 into d value is also root 2 only. So 6 root 2 we will get. Now 6 root 2 can be written as root 2 into 6 square. So here root 2 into 36. So we will get 72. Am I correct or not? So like that only 6 root 2 we can write directly root 72. Root 72. After that, a7 is equal to a plus 6d. What is the value of a here? Root 2 plus 6 into root 2. Now root 2 plus 6 root 2, 7 root 2. Its value is root 98. See here, 7 root 2 can be written as root 2 into 7 square. Now root 2 into 49. 49 2s 98. Am I correct or not? So therefore we can write 7 root 2 as root 98. See here, 3 terms are root 50, root 72, root 98. Therefore, three more terms are root 50 comma root 72 comma root 98.